Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to cook stir-fried beef with onion. That's one of my favorite dish. It's very simple. We have onion, red onion or white onion, doesn't matter, and I have some sliced ginger, red pepper, and garlic. If you don't like garlic, you can leave without it. And there's a mineral beef slice. I put cornstarch, sesame oil, soy sauce, a little bit of chicken powder, and Japanese cooking oil, or any kind of cooking oil is fine. And I will put all the ingredients list below my description. All right, then start cooking right now. First of all, we need to heat up the pan. Make sure the pan have to be warm. So just turn on the stove about 2 or 3 minutes and heat up the pan and add some oil. Beef first. Right now, add the ginger slice, red pepper, and garlic. Make sure you stir fry it. Mix around with the beef. Make sure you use higher heat though, because you don't want to use medium heat, or make sure you turn that all the way up. Because beef is very easy to cook, so probably take a few minutes, so make sure you heat up the pan and use high heat. I don't need to add any sauce because I already, marinate with all this soy sauce, sesame oil, cooking oil, chicken powder. So it's already tasty. So just leave the beef on the pan for a minute or two and let it cook. You can smell the ginger. If you don't like ginger or garlic, or you don't like pepper, you can live without it. But personally, I just love it because it brings more flavor into the dish. Also, add a little bit sugar. Just 1 tablespoon of sugar. So I already did, so I just mention again. Almost 50% cooked. So I wait for maybe a couple more minutes until it cook about 70% down. Then I will add the onion. Smell good. I smell the garlic. I smell all the ginger flavor. This is a very easy dish. Again, probably 10 minutes cooking time. All you need is 10 minutes cooking time. Very easy. Alright, now I can add my onion because it's about 70-80% cooked. So you don't want to overcook the beef because it's not going to be taste tender. Okay, make sure you mix it. Make sure you bring the bottom beef over top. Now I can smell some onion too. I can smell the ginger flavor, onion flavor, and garlic flavor. Go with some white rice or brown rice. So again, the onion, you don't need to overcook it or cook too long. It's up to you. If you prefer like cook a little bit longer for the onion, it's fine. But personally, I don't like overcook the onion. Otherwise, it's too soft. All right, almost done. 10 more seconds. 1, 3, 2, 1, done. Now it's time to serve. Hey kids, time for dinner. I love the smell. Look at that. Stir-fried beef with onion. Smell good and it's healthy. The onion have a lot of vitamin, especially the beef too, have a lot of iron, calcium. It's really good for the kids. So hopefully you enjoyed the show, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. and I will see you next time. Thank you so much.